Hello everyone, watch this video to know about Agrobacterium and the genes of Ti plasmid. Agrobacterium mediated transformation was developed in the year 1983. Agrobacterium is a gram-negative, rod-shaped bacteria belonging to the family Rhizobiaceae. They infect dicot plants. The bacteria is found near the soil at the junction of plant stem and root. Two main types of Agrobacterium are Agrobacterium tumefaciens that induce crown gall tumor and Agrobacterium rhizogenes that induce hairy root disease. Foreign DNA can be inserted into the tDNA of Ti plasmid of Agrobacterium, and Agrobacterium is allowed to infect the dicot plants. This is known as agroinfection. Smith and Townsend found that Agrobacterium tumefaciens causes crown gall tumor. The tumor-inducing principle, known as Ti plasmid, has a portion called transferred DNA or tDNA, which is transferred and integrated into the host plant nuclear genome. The transformed cells can grow autonomously on synthetic media in the absence of growth hormones. The transformed cells develop two new properties. One is they show phytohormone independent growth, and the other is they contain one or more unusual amino acid derivatives called the opines. The opines serve as carbon and nitrogen sources, promoting the growth, and they are unique of the tumor cells. They are not directly responsible for the tumor state of the cells. These two properties helps to distinguish Agrobacterium from other bacteria. The tumor-inducing principle is the Ti plasmid. It is a large circular double-stranded DNA of 200 kilobase per length. It forms 3 to 8% of the chromosome. It has an origin of replication, so it is independent replicating genetic units. A portion of the Ti plasmid is tDNA, called the transforming DNA or the transferred DNA. Depending on the type of the opines produced, there is nopalin synthase type which produces nopalin as the opine. Example is PTIC58, and octapin synthase type which produces the opine octapin, and example is PTIACH5. The tDNA region is the portion from left border to the right border. The tDNA of Ti plasmid has opine synthesis region which synthesizes unusual amino acid or sugar derivatives called opines, and these are controlled by the enzyme octapin synthase and nopalin synthase. Nopalin synthase enzyme produces nopalin, which is a dicarboxypropyl derivative of arginine, and octapin synthase produces octapin, which is carboxyethyl derivative of arginine. Other types of opines produced by Ti plasmids are succinamofin, agropin, and leucinopin. The tDNA also has genes responsible for phytohormone production, that is auxin and cytokinin, which are responsible for the crown gall tumor. One of the oncogenic regions responsible for the abnormal root formation is TMR. TMR code for the enzyme isopentyl transferase, which synthesizes cytokinin from AMP and isopentyl phosphate. The oncogenic genes responsible for formation of abnormal shoots are TMS1 and TMS2, and these synthesize auxin from tryptophan. TMS1 code for the enzyme tryptophan monooxygenase, which converts tryptophan to indole 3-acetamide, and TMS2 code for the enzyme indole 3-acetamide hydrolase, which converts indole 3-acetamide to auxin. Another gene, TML, is responsible for producing larger than normal tumors. The tDNA region of tumor-inducing and root-inducing plasmids have 25 base pair highly conserved directly repeated DNA sequences that flank and delimits the tDNA. The left and right borders play an important role in the transfer process. The DNA between these borders is transferred to the plant. The genes needed for the transfer of tDNA are located outside the tDNA in the Ti plasmid, and these are the virulence genes. If the oncogenes, that is TMR and TMS genes, and the opine production genes are deleted from the natural TI plasmid, then you get the disarmed TI plasmid. When such a tDNA is transferred to the plants, then no tumor will be caused in the dicot plants. So foreign genes can be inserted between the tDNA borders and transferred into dicot plants. Vir genes or virulence genes, which are needed for the transfer of tDNA, are present outside the tDNA region of the TI plasmid. It is 40 kilobase pair in octopen TI plasmid. 24 genes are involved in virulence. These genes are present in 8 operons from Vir A to Vir H, and they are co-regulated to form a regulon. Most operons are polycistronic except Vir A, Vir F and Vir G. In normal vegetative growth, Vir A and Vir G alone are transcribed. Other genes which help in the tDNA transfer are present in the chromosome of Agrobacterium tumefaciens, and they are CHVA and CHVB, which code for exopolysaccharide production. This helps in the attachment of the bacteria to plant cell, and these are constitutively expressed genes. Another gene is CHVE, which encodes glucose galactose transporter, which helps in the binding of specific sugars. So they act as co-inducers of the Vir genes. Other genes of TI plasmid are opine catabolism gene, which break down the octopen or the nopalin produced, and TRA gene, that is the transfer gene, which helps in the conjugative transfer of TI plasmid to another agrobacterial strain which is avirulent. The genes for virulence are silent. They are induced by certain phenolic compounds, acetosyringone and beta hydroxyacetosyringone, which are secreted from the wounded dicot plants. The mechanism of tDNA transfer is dealt with in the next video.